Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We're doing Winston Way Roundabout. This is Goodmays test route. We are going from Green Lane towards Newbury Park. So here there's a mini roundabout, turn right. So guys, make sure that the road is all clear to go, and make sure no cars coming from the right. So now we see on the board there's a one-way system coming up. So there's a zebra crossing coming up, so make sure it's all clear, like people not crossing. So there's a giveaway line coming up, so make sure that you check before you join. So when you join, make sure that you stay on the left until you get the instruction. If you don't get any instructions, so make sure that you follow the road on the left. If examiner says to follow the Newbury Park or third exit on the right. Check the mirror, give indicator to the right, and change the line to the right. Stay on the right and indicate right, and wait for safe gap to join the roundabout. This is the first exit on the left, and this is the second exit on the left. Check the mirror, give indicator on the left, and take the third exit. So the speed limit is still 30. So you're still following the Newbury Park sign. So check the board, and the second exit on the Newbury Park is on the right. So you're on the right, indicate right, and make sure it's safe to go. After the first exit, indicate left and exit the roundabout, and keep following the road until the further instruction. So guys, I hope that you like my video. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.